You want yes? Yeah, so we're at 4 bars.
4 bars.
4 bars. No, can't. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Do you wanna take a little trip around the tiny day?
We play in Central Park, getting the flag that's out of the sky. No need to stop for a sign, we go in a
way. He got the rhythm.
Say,
don't you wanna be a
we can
genius?
stay all day out in the park. Time to drive, we'll listen to the song of the lark. He sings a pretty love song, why shouldn't we sing along? You want me to go with you way out yonder just for chasing a bird? When we could be cozier at home, dear. I want daisies in green pastures on which we'll never roam. Stay with me, darling. Hey,
don't you wanna back the
that's a lovely way to show you care. It isn't fair, just like me to go chasing a bird.
We get back
With hardly even a word, although it's absurd. And so we packed up our nest. We traveled way out west on the best. We shoveled off on 66 and then we headed down south till we got to Kansas City. We thought that we saw him playing the blues and paying his dues and trying so hard to fill press great big shoes cause he had nothing to lose. But we were too late, that bird had fled the gate. So then we jumped back in our wheels longing to know just how it feels to hear birds blow and really let go. From Chicago, crying shy down into my town, bird flew straight back to New York. We chased him uptown, up board the A train, then we sit back down. We followed that bird to 52nd Street. He played so sweet, it told us in the audience and at the famous store. But we didn't score, Yardbird was no more.
Complete this crazy day at 3 o'clock in the morning. Here I am sitting in a car being driven 100 miles an hour around the sleeping streets and hills and waterfronts of San Francisco. Dave's gone off to sleep with Romana, and the others are passed out. And this crazy next door neighbor of the rooming house, himself a bohemian, but also a laborer, a house painter who comes home with his big muddy boots and has his little boy living with him. His wife has died. I've been in his pad listening to booming loud Stan Getz jazz on his hi-fi. Happened to mention I thought Dave Wayne and Cody Pomeroy were the 2 greatest drivers in the world. He said, "What?" he yelled. A big blonde husky kid with a strange fixed smile. "Man, I used to drive the getaway car. Come on down, I'll show you." So almost dawn, and here we are, cutting down Buchanan, around the corner on screeching wheels, and he opens her up. Goes zipping to a red light, so takes a sudden screeching left, and goes up a whole full blast. When we come to the top of the hill, I figure he'll pause a while to see what's over the top, but he goes even faster and practically flies off the hill, and we head down one of those incredibly steep San Francisco streets with our snout pointing to the waters of the bay, and he steps on the gas. We go sailing down 100 miles per hour to the bottom of the hill where there's an intersection, luckily, with light and green, and through that we blast with one little bump where the road crosses, and the other bump where the street is dipping downhill again. We come down to the waterfront and screech right. In a minute, we're soaring over the ramps around the bridge ends. And before I can gulp a shot or two from my last late bottle, we're already parked back outside the pad of Buchanan. The greatest driver in the world, whoever he was. I never saw him again. Bruce something or other. What a getaway.